I've been playing BeamNG for a while, and I like the game. And for a long time, this has been my setup: a keyboard with a mouse. The mouse, I use it to steer, which is a bit realistic. But um, if I drive the car with a keyboard, then every time I accelerate, I give 100% acceleration, and I don't really want that. So that's why in this video I will implement a controller in a keyboard, and I'll not use this keyboard because this works good and I don't want to ruin it. So yeah, let's get with the video. Alright, so bad news. I was tearing apart this keyboard, and I was done with the controller, and that's where I realized that I forgot to record. So that's unfortunate, but yeah. So the plan is to put this controller thing in here, this part. I mean, does anybody really use the numpad anymore? So yeah. So I have no clue how am I supposed to pull this off, but the plan is to just put it here, so I can um, play with it. Alright, the plan is to I'll hit this screwdriver tip and just press it against here and remove this whole part. But then I'm supposed to put this here, so I guess we'll have to make a plate for it, because I don't want to use this one because I already broke it while I was trying to remove this stem part. So yeah, I'll be back after doing it. Alright, so I'm done cutting the keyboard, but I accidentally cut into the frame, so we'll have to get that fixed. But yeah, the cutting part is done. So now let's see how we can um put the controller here. So I unfortunately don't have a 3D printer, so we'll resort to cardboard for now, till I make a steel housing for it. So yeah, let's get started with it. Alright, so let's see if this fits. Oh yeah, I forgot to cut the bottom part. Alright, so this is going to be the base. I'll put it like this perhaps. Yep. Yeah, and then if I keep it like this, and yeah, looks good. Alright, I guess I have to cut this part. Firstly, I have to clear my setup because it's a mess right now. So I'll do that, and then let's get gluing. Alright, so the cleaning up is almost done. I mean, it is done. It's just the wires that make it look bad. I've kept the keys from this part, just in case if I break any of this in the future, I can just use these ones. So this is the garbage which I am going to be throwing out, and there is the keyboard, the membrane part, and yeah. So let's get to gluing. Okay, well, a problem here. I kind of forgot to um mount the thing, but well, there is a hole here, so this board gotta go. I'm sorry, man. So how do we want this? And now I'll just put the board like this, and yeah, that should work. Okay, I just want to see if the controller works anymore. I might have bricked it or something. So I'll quickly just glue this part. I almost forgot to apply the vibration motors, which I hopefully fit. I'm not sure though, I don't think they will. Yeah. If I try to close this thing. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Well, that's too bad. I really wanted to add this. Um, yeah, no, I don't think that'll work. Well, that's unfortunate. Now that the gluing part is done, let's put the board together. There you go. Well, as you can see, the keyboard has two cables. So in the next video, we are going to fix that. But now I just want to see if the keyboard works. Okay. I'll reload this and test if everything works. I mean, besides these ones. So yeah, alright, so let's load up BeamNG drive. Okay, I'll I'll start the car, and then usually how I drive. Okay. Okay. It is kind of fun though, not gonna lie. Okay, now what I'll do is set up um controls vehicles. Okay, now this should work. And I'll just put the transmission to automatic, because you can't shift it here. But I think it would be an awesome project in the future if I just put a shifter in it or some shit like that. Okay, that's kind of fun. That's kind of fun. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in part 2, I guess, if I even make one.